Good morning students. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Now today we will discuss about lab activity second for class 10th. Now in my previous videos we have discussed about to study different parts of the different flower. Now I think you understand that, but today we are going to lab activity second. So now let me start. What is the aim of this activity? Now aim is that to prove experimentally that light is essential for photosynthesis. Do you know it very well? I have taught to this lesson photosynthesis in theory paper. Now nutrition in plants. I remember that light is very important factor for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide also important factor for photosynthesis. Now first of all, what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photo means light. Synthesis means to build up. It means that to make a food by the presence of sunlight. Okay, do you know it very well? This is the potted plant. Look at the potted plant. Now in which plant presence of the chlorophyll take a carbon dioxide from atmosphere and take water from soil, and to make presence of the sunlight to make synthesis, to make a carbohydrates food in the leaves. That is the photosynthesis. Do you know it very well? Green plants is autotrophic. Because of that, they make their own food by the presence of sunlight. Now, how can you write the chemical reaction and learn it, the chemical reaction? Look at the blackboard. Now CO2 is coming from atmosphere plus 12H2O from soil, and presence of sunlight is comes from sun. Now chlorophyll presence in leaves. Understand that? Now what will be made? It will be make a carbohydrates. It means a glucose. Glucose is start in the form in the leaves. Okay. Now release the oxygen from this reaction plus 6H2O. This reaction is anabolic reaction because to store the energy in leaves for the presence of sunlight and presence of chlorophyll. Understand that? And now how to make glucose? Presence of sunlight and presence of chlorophyll, but CO2 and water makes a carbohydrates in the form of starch in the leaves. Are you understand that? Now photosynthesis reactions divided into two parts. Water. The photolysis water to produce a oxygen. That is a oxidation reaction. Okay. Now carbohydrates reduce in the form of glucose. That is reduction reaction. It means that photosynthesis is oxidation and reduction reaction. Carbohydrates reduce makes a glucose and photolysis of water to release a oxygen. It means oxygen, release of oxygen from photolysis of water. Understand that? Now light reaction, light energy change into chemical energy. Understand that? And energy form to the ATP. Okay? Now I understand the photosynthesis and photosynthesis reaction. Now we are going to demonstrate this practical to prove the light is important factor for photosynthesis, but carbon dioxide is also essential material for photosynthesis. Now there are 4 raw materials essential for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll. There are 4 raw materials are important for photosynthesis. Now first of all, there are 2 activities are very important for your 10th class, theory and practical. Now light is very important factor for photosynthesis and carbon dioxide is very important factor for photosynthesis. Now how can you prove that light is important factor for photosynthesis? Okay, so we are going to demonstrate this experiment. Okay, now first of all, do you know it very well, this activity or this lab activity required some materials. So which materials required? First of all, we take a one potted plant. Look at the blackboard and potted plant. Now we take a paper strip. Understand that? Now next is paper clip. Paper clip. Understand, this is a paper clip. Now forceps, that is very important. Iodine solution, I2 solution, that is the symbol of iodine, I2 solution. Understand that? So these are 4 materials used in this practical. Now the procedure. There are 5 steps. Step first to 5. Now let's start now. First of all, this is the healthy potted plant. Now keep it under a dark room for 2 and 3 days. After 2 and 3 days, we will take a potted plant. Now we will take a one leaf from this plant. Now cover this. This is the paper strip. Now cover this leaf. This is the dorsal surface and ventral surface. Okay. Cover with paper strip. Now clip the black paper properly. Okay. Now next is, now do you know that during the keep in dark place, the plants is discharged. Some leaves is some leaves are discharged. Leaves ऐसे दिखने लगते हैं ब्राउनिश, और ये जब इसको अंधेरे कमरे में रखते हैं. ठीक है? ओके. Now after 1 hour, put the potted plant under the sunlight. After 1 and 2 hours, we will look at this leaf covered by the paper strip. Now we cut this. Cut with the help of leaf. Plug the leaf with the help of scissor. Understand that? And remove the clip and remove the paper strip. So look at that. Some portions are green and some portions are yellowish color. It means that photosynthesis covered the portions does not presence of photosynthesis because of absence of light, and the green part presence of photosynthesis because of presence of light. Understand that? Now this leaf is, look at that. Okay, this brown part is covered with a black strip paper, and yellow part is does not covered with black strip paper. Now the next step, what will we do? Now we will use a staining material. Okay, now we will stain this covered part. Okay, so what will be change? It means observation is here. Observation that part of the leaf which are covered with black strip does not show presence of starch. Okay, तो ये presence of starch नहीं दिखाएगी. Okay, now rest of the leaf, जो बचा हुआ पार्ट है येलोश, इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, किस चीज में चेंज हो जाएगा? ब्लू एंड blackish color. Rest of the leaves becomes blue color. Understand that? Okay, look at the leaves. Now result, are you understand the observation? जो भी प्लांट पर जो कवर्ड पार्ट है उसमें लाइट नहीं जा रही है तो उसमें ब्लूइश और ब्लैकिश कलर आयोडीन डालने के बाद नहीं होगा. और जो पार्ट ग्रीन है, जो स्ट्रिप पे नहीं है, रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ लीव्स है ना, एक्सपोज्ड लीफ पार्ट become change into bluish and blackish color. Now result, covered portion of the leaf, it means that part does not change to blue and black color, but green portion of leaf change to blue and black. Green portion have a starch and covered portion of leaf does not have a स्टार्च. ओके, इसमें नहीं होता स्टार्च, रिमूव हो जाता है, और इसमें स्टार्च प्रेजेंट होता है. जिसमें स्टार्च प्रेजेंट होगा उसमें आयोडीन डालने पर वो किस कलर में चेंज हो जाएगा? ब्लू और ब्लैक कलर में. और जिसमें स्टार्च नहीं होगा वो किस कलर में चेंज नहीं होगा? ब्लू और ब्लैक कलर में नहीं होगा. तो लुक एट दिस लीव, अंडरस्टैंड दैट. नाउ precaution is very important for this practical. Now wash the leaf before the iodine test. Now next is destarch the plant completely and clip the black paper properly so that a cover portion does not receive any sunlight. And fourth is use healthy potted plant leaf. Understand that? That is the 4 precautions of this practicals. Understand that? Now at last I am giving some questions for these practicals to do it in your fair copy. But this practicals write down only in LAM manual. Please purchase the LAM manuals for class 10th. Okay. Now first question arises that what is photosynthesis? Okay. Second, for your homework, now what are the raw materials of photosynthesis? Describe it. Third question is give which chemicals is used the test for starch. Okay, do you know it very well? Iodine. Now fourth question, how is the plant de-starched? Okay. Now fifth question, write down the photosynthesis reaction. Understand that? It means that there are 5 questions. Okay, so do it in your fair copy. But this lab activity is very important for your board exams. Okay, so please write down in your LAM manual only. Okay, purchase the LAM manual. Okay students, thank you.